In this video, we are going to see how to create a new position on Uniswap V3. First, I will click on Launch App. And on the right, we see this Connect button, right? And you can click on it to connect your wallet. So here my wallet is connected now. And then you can choose the chain. So for me, like in my wallet, the chain that's selected as Polygon. So you see like Polygon is connected here. And you can choose any other chain which you want. So to add liquidity, we can click on Pools on the left top. When you click on pools, you would first see all your open and closed positions also. So here I have a few closed positions and one of the open position which is out of range, and we can hide the closed positions if you want to. So I will be clicking on adding a new position. So I would be choosing a pair which is Matic and like USDC. Again, you should choose like the strategy simulation tools, and also you try to use the backtesting tools to be sure about the exact position you are adding, right? In what range do you want to add? But here I won't go into those details because that is already captured as part of the other videos. So once you select the token pair, Uniswap's UX is going to fetch some information, right? It shows that 87% of the people selected this tier, so it already pre-selected for you, but you can change if you want to. And now it's trying to pull the latest prices, right? So this is the current price of the Matic. And here it has selected like a default position for us, but using some of these strategy tools and all, you can select an optimum range for you, right? So here like you can try to decrease, like if I want to add liquidity to a wide range, I can decrease the min price, right? And then I can try to increase the max price and all, right? We can also choose to deposit full range, but that won't be any capital efficient and all, right? So it doesn't make sense. So here probably I can try to add like 100 Matic here, and based on the price range which I've selected, it's going to automatically calculate the corresponding USDC amount. So it's not like V2 where the funds had to be deposited in 50-50 ratio. So here you could just select like more on the Matic side, less on the USDC side or something like that, right? So you can just choose a custom range, and according to that range, the ratio of the Matic and USDC you need to add is calculated. So here you click here, and then like it would show, it would enable the preview button. So once you click on the preview button, a model should appear which shows the liquidity that you would be adding, right? The position that you will be creating. So here it shows the min and the max price that we selected. What is the current price, right? What is the amount of Matic we are depositing? What is the amount of USDC we are depositing? Which tier we have selected, and then we can click on add, and a position will be added. So it's saying waiting for confirmation. In some cases, if you have not deposited liquidity for certain tokens, right? You're depositing it for the first time, it's going to ask you for approval for those tokens, right? In my case, I had already deposited liquidity with Matic and USDC, so it never asked me. So those transactions were already approved in my case. But if you're depositing it for the first time, you might see another step before preview, which is approving of Matic and approving of USDC. So it's asking me to approve a transaction now. This is for Matic. This is the amount of Matic we deposited. Supplying 100 Matic and this many. So a transaction is submitted. And on the right side, you'll also see a pending loader, which will show you whether when the transaction is done. So now we see notification that the liquidity has been added, and here this page would refresh in a few seconds, and we should see our new position. So here we see our new position, which is the Matic and the USDC, which is now added. So this is how very easily you can create a new position on Uniswap V3.